She also gave me, oh, wait. Hey, welcome to All Things Nawni, where I share lifestyle, luxury, and travel content. If you also like those things, don't forget to subscribe. So today I'm back with an unboxing, which was unexpected for me. I wasn't expecting to have this item so soon, but since I did get it, I wanted to share it with you and give you my first impressions. If you watched my last unboxing video, I unboxed a Cartier Love bracelet in the small size in the white gold, and I shared that my dream was to have all three bracelets. So I already had the yellow gold in the small size. I shared in that unboxing that my dream was to get the rose gold in the small size next year for my birthday. So that was my plan. And then my 12th wedding anniversary came around and my husband surprised me with a gift. We usually don't exchange gifts for our anniversary, but he had shared that he had planned to buy me something. I didn't know what it was. So then I bought him something because I didn't want to be empty-handed. And so we ended up going to the Cartier store, which was a shock to me because he likes to save money and he's been on me about not spending so much. So I was surprised that he wanted to go there, but we went there and he surprised me with, what do you think? Obviously, the Love bracelet in the small size in the rose gold. So I mentioned in that previous video that we live in Delaware. We don't have any luxury stores in Delaware. So anytime we go to a designer store somewhere else in another state, we will get the item shipped back to us so that we don't have to pay the shopping tax. And so that is what we did. It just arrived today. And so I wanted to unbox it, show you guys what it looks like with the other two bracelets, and we'll see if it's giving what I hoped it would give. And I'm also trying to figure out how I will pair it with my other bracelets, whether I will mix and match or if I will wear them all together. We'll see how that all looks. So let's get into it. Cute little bag as usual. Here she is in all her glory. Just so beautiful. But I just noticed she also gave me a jewelry cleaning kit. I already have one, but I could always use another. So I appreciate that. So it's the jewelry. It says lotion for jewelry and watches. I'm sure you guys have seen this before. And then it comes with the brush and then the cloth. I'm acting like this is like such a surprise, but they usually give you these too. So also a travel pouch for the bracelet as well. So that's nice with the pillow and the pockets inside. You can never have too many of these. I found them always to be useful when traveling with my jewelry. So I appreciate that as well. I always feel bad taking off the wax seal. It's just so beautiful. Alrighty. So let's look at my stack as is right now. So I've showed you guys this before, but this Just on Clue is in the rose gold. And then here's the new white gold small love bracelet and then the yellow gold small love bracelet. So when I went in the store, it was kind of funny because I knew that that's something that I've been wanting. And when she put it on, she put it behind the yellow gold and it just was not popping to me. I was like, oh, I thought I was really gonna like this, but I'm actually not feeling it. So then I took it off and I was like, let me just look at some other things. So then we went back and sat down and I was like, can I see it again? And she also didn't have it in my size at first. So it was a larger size and it just wasn't, I just didn't like it. So then she was like, let me just double check and if we have your size. So then she went to the back. She ended up coming back with the bracelet in my size. She said they had done inventory earlier that day or something and she didn't realize that they had gotten more in. So she had the right size and then I had her place it between these two. And then I was like, that's it. I needed it in my size. I needed it in the right place. And I was like, I'll take it. So hopefully I'm feeling the same way when I take a look at this. I hate when it opens and you're trying to like get it out the box. She also gave me, oh, Wait, guys. It's missing the screwdriver. Am I crazy? I've never not gotten the screwdriver with it. Oh, it's in here. I've never had that sent that way before, but here it is. Let me put that in as it's supposed to be. And then first impressions, maybe because my lighting is weird, not shining as much, but it looks good. Let's give it a try. All right. Let's place it on. Oh, I really like that. For some reason, maybe it's because of my lighting in here right now, but the rose gold just looks a little different. It's funny because, so these three together, they're just so good. It's making me not like the Just on Clue with them. I just want to wear these by themselves. Where are you going? Okay, hopefully you can see that. That looks so nice. Just the three tones of the different golds, it eats. Now I'm just kind of torn. So I've seen girls where they, wear all of these together on one wrist. I'm just trying to decide if I want to do that. Since it's such a different bracelet, I don't know. It's not, maybe I'll switch it to the other hand. I got to figure it out. Play around with what I'll end up doing with this. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope everybody is doing well, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.